Hi guys, I'm Szenan-Balance from AcuTCM School. Today I'm going to talk about Parkinson's disease. Well, over the years, I've been trying a lot of different acupuncture techniques to deal with Parkinson's disease for the shaking, right? Unfortunately, I didn't get successful treated any cases, not until I made JiYi Acupuncture. Then, wow, it's amazing. When I apply JiYi Acupuncture, I can actually instantly reduce the shaking on the hand and the body shake. So that's amazing. So I want to share with you. So in the end of this video, I'm going to share with you where you can get a free JiYi Acupuncture training. Let's have a look at this case first. Well, in this case, one of the students who learned JiYi Acupuncture and treating this one, this is before treatment, and he had difficulty swallow and actually affecting his sleeping. And as you can see that shaking. This is about 5 to 7 treatments. After 5 to 7 treatments, it felt better, but as you can see that the shaking on the hand is still quite obvious, right? He said it used to be before treatment he couldn't sleep at all at night time because the shaking, the body shaking and hand shaking stopped him going to sleep. Look at that. This is after 13 treatment. As you can see that both hands were shaking all the time. Very obvious. Look at that now. Stop. Look at that. He can move it and he can sleep now. No problem. So that is amazing. Now when we treat Parkinson with JiYi Acupuncture, we mainly use Yi 4 point. And Yi 4 points are a combination of JiYi wood points and earth points. Now Master Liu put those 4 points together originally for back pain. I mean any kind of back pain, especially good for those structure change back pain, which means it's very good for lumbar herniation disc issues. Now based on those 4 points, we need those 4 points first. Then we add on hand points, which is JiYi metal points, and some head points, scalp points, or neck point, which is JiYi Acupuncture fire points. A combination of those, if the leg is shaking too, we're gonna combine JiYi water points. And for those points together, that can bring good results. Instant reduce shaking. Well, if you want to learn JiYi Acupuncture, I'm going to tell you how to get free JiYi Acupuncture training. So what are you waiting for? There's a link down below this video or on top of this video. You can register a free JiYi Acupuncture training webinar. Now, today is the 5th of July 2022. Now, in November 2022, now we are going to host a workshop, and Master Liu is going to teach in Malaysia. So, find out more by clicking the link down below. There's another link down below or on the top. Figure out what is the price and how to get to that, and we actually give you a big bonus. You're going to receive 10 free webinar lessons. And also, in the workshop, if you join the workshop, you're going to get free hotel accommodation and free meal, as well as your transportation from airport to hotel. Right? Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.